Hello friends. Today I like to this is G.V. Shivakumar, and today I like to discuss about the basic difference and what is the importance of CSBS, that is Computer Science Business Systems, right? So this is a new course. So I can say that it's an integrated course between normal computer science systems and business systems, where normally the business management people, right, and those who are who like to pursue business systems, right? So in combination of that, actually IT with computer science with I can say the business systems, actually in the sense actually management concepts and everything, right? So these are the integrated course where the students who pursuing CSBS will do that. So the main difference is in computer science, the student can read completely on the programming skills, technology platforms. So whatever we are thinking, actually IoT, artificial intelligence, microprocessors, data patterns, data structures, and then cloud technologies, and say C, C++, Python, Java, Oracle, or I can say actually the big data. So all these things, right? Actually, all the technical things actually normally a computer science students will study. So in case of CSBS, that is Computer Science Business Systems, actually, in addition to the languages and technologies and packages, whatever I told, so they are studying the ERP concept, that is Enterprise Resource Planning. Actually, in this engineering, actually, the student can learn what are all the basic technologies or process of management. Say what is an economical management, economics management, finance, or finance and control. So how the project is structured, what is a project network, or how to procure a material, how to resource a material, what are the how to do that hiring, that is a human, in the sense actually HR, right, human capital management, and how to construct or how to lead a project. Actually the manager way of methoding the guiding the projects. So the project management and guidance, right? So those areas they are studying. And normally when comparing to say the CS students will study during the engineering, they will study say engineering, 4 papers, actually engineering 1, 2, 3, 4, and also engineering chemistry, and then engineering drawing and graphics design, and say actually related to digital systems, flip flops, all these things, right? And basic electronics and everything. So so even actually they will study the electrical engineering papers also normally. In from the past and current computer science students can do that. And whereas actually CSBS students, they won't study, or they are not having the elective or subject on engineering drawing, engineering chemistry, say I can say the digital design kind of thing, right? Or machine technology, all these things, actually those the papers they are not reading. In addition to that, actually, the what CSBS, that is Computer Science Business System students can study is, they will study mainly on the business max, and then actually the I can say operation research, statistics. So mainly what operation research will do, it's based on, it's built on the statistics. So how to calculate the number of hours a particular resource is working, how many days will take to complete a particular job, or how much resource is required. So whatever the CPM per, right, PERT, the shortest path to cover a maximum thing, and in a efficient way. So those kind of industrial engineering kind of thing, industrial management or project management. So all these things they are doing. And also I heard actually in recent syllabus, actually they are doing SAP or Oracle kind of thing. So in SAP we have multiple modules, right? Materials management, dealing with the material procurement, inventory management, warehouse management, and then sales and distribution related to order management and delivery management, shipping and transportation. So again, actually production, SAP PP, production planning and execution. So how the planning was done, how to be executed, how to be placed to the I mean after completing the finished goods, how you are placing the material in the warehouse, and from the warehouse how you are supplying or creating orders against the customer orders or demands, and how to process the delivery, and then how to process the shipment and transportation, how you are supplying to the end customer. So those things actually, right, actually those are the part of the business management systems, right? So those papers also they are reading. And in addition to that, financial management and controlling, and then accounting, basics of accounting, basics of commerce, and engineering management, engineering economics, network analysis, all the, I mean in the sense business network analysis, not our electrical circuit network analysis. This is business network analysis. Vendor management, I mean how to deal with the vendors, how to deal with the customers, commodity management kind of thing. So actually the CS students, right, can know the business concepts, so they can easily get into, I mean whenever actually they are having two options. One is they can go to the technical futures of the computer science, actually where because they will work as a programmer or a developer or an architect. At one point of time, if they are not interested, they can move to business manager side. Say they will work as a business analyst, business manager, or operations manager, because they are having the background of finance and control, commerce, international import and export management. Those papers will be added advantages to the CSBS student. So this is a good paper. So for those who like to pursue the career of business management at one point of time, due to their continuous technical nature of the work and coding, all these things, right? At one point of time, they will get actually bored, and they like to switch over to the business, or actually as a manager or a project director. So how to cost a project, how to resource a project, how to manage a project, how to deliver a project. So all these things you can learn. So we are having, say, normally from the many industry people, what I collected is, say for machine learning architect, the salary per annum is 3.4 lakhs, right? And data and analytical manager, they are getting 20 lakhs per annum. And then for IT project manager, they are getting 16.5 lakhs per annum at the entry level. And data specialist, they are getting 14 lakhs. And machine learning engineer, they are getting some 12.5 lakhs. And say data architect, they are getting 12.5 lakhs per annum. And software developer, they are getting around 12 lakhs per annum. And so the data engineer, nearly they are getting 9 lakhs per annum. And business analyst, right, they are getting 8 lakhs per annum. And business administrator, right, actually they are getting 7.7 lakhs per annum, right? So these are, the average salary, actually not the specific salary. These are average salary as per the industry standards. I am seeing, or I have collected by discussing with the people, or when browsing the internets, right? Actually, when checking the Naukri or Glassdoor kind of thing, right? Actually, the website, the job website, I am seeing this information. So this is a good option. Say currently, when you are studying only the technical programming nature, then actually you will only become a programmer or a technical analyst kind of thing. And if you are reading in parallel with the IT knowledge or computer coding knowledge, in addition to the business management of costing, finance, procurement, sales, human resource, all these things, right? Management cost, basic management concept, project management concepts, or everything. This will be a good thing. This will be a combo or a sandwich kind of course, right? So you can either get you, if you are interested, you can become a business analyst, and with your experience you will become a business manager, and then actually so client relationship manager or client quarter manager, like those courses you can pursue. Or other end way, in other way, if you want to go for a technical kind of job, programming or developers, that is also, or an architect, you can, that is also possible. So compared to a normal computer science business systems, right, that is CSBS, that will be, what I am thinking is actually that will be more good compared to the normal computer science. And I hope you know, right, actually in Anna University and every big universities or government universities, actually we I mean, compared to the computer science, actually they have created very new courses, right? But actually many people, they never know about this new engineering departments. They know only computer science, IT, information technology, or civil engineering, mechanical engineering, chemical, mechanical, electrical, those kind of electronics, those kind of technologies only they are they are familiar. And when, even though actually even directly in Anna University, they are getting CSBS or kind of new technology departments, they are not interested to opt that. They are going for the normal and second degree or third degree, second level engineering colleges. That will definitely affect their career growth, right? Actually they are not getting, many people are coming out of the college without any campus interviews or campus placement, and when coming to the non-campus field, right, actually, so that will be a big challenge in getting a job. So please think on CSBS kind of thing. So then actually you can easily get a job while you are in completing the final year. Immediately after the completion of the your engineering, you will be placed in a good course like CSBS. So I am planning, I mean, actually how I collected is, when doing many interviews for the freshers and the college passed outs and everything, right, I have collected a lot of information, and I also collected a lot of website, I mean, from the informations collected from the websites. So I will definitely share the information in my coming videos. I hope actually this will be more useful for the upcoming or final year students, or those who are pursuing, I mean, those who like to pursue engineering as a career. So that will be very good, right? So always normally engineering plus management, that is really good. So we will think on, actually like in civil, right, actually you can get a civil plus structural engineering as a new course introduced by the Anna University. That is really good. Actually structural engineering in the sense, it is a design, an architect kind of thing. So we will post some videos on this topic, so that will be more useful for the upcoming new students, and those who are doing 12th standard and want to pursue engineering as a career. These videos are very useful to them, I think. Thanks for watching. This is GB Shivakumar signing off.